Good morning, guys. It's today's Saturday. It's currently 10:15 a.m. and I am trying to get as much things as I can get done. I already showered. I immediately put him back to sleep. He has started teething, so it's a bit. He's not cranky, but like just temperature. But he's such an happy baby. A happy baby. Change in sleep pattern. His sleep pattern is also messed up, but I'm currently doing laundry. I'm trying to finish up some work. I'm waiting for my husband. We are going to cook. I'm just trying to do so many things at the same time. But how is your weekend going? Anyways, I really got his first little ball and he really likes it. He really likes it. So I don't know if you guys watched Love in Every Word Part 1, but Omoni Oboli just dropped Love in Every Word Part 2. 3 hours. 3 hours. I'm going to watch it while I am doing everything I am doing in between. If you've watched it, let me know. What do you think? I actually loved the part one. I mean, I loved it. So definitely I'm going to watch the part two because I have to. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think part one was worth it? I mean, it's end of the year. We're going to start seeing a lot of movies. Okay, Akidele has something coming. Odunade has something coming. I am sure Toya Imako has something coming. I don't know if Messi Aigbe has something coming. I mean, there's going to be like, oh yes, and Home Alone is coming back. So many things, and I love movies. So we are here for it. We are here for it. Let me know what you think. Um, I'm going to go and try Emily's clothes now and come back. So I managed to put my hair in this convo, and I actually realized that I didn't lose length, but all of this, all of this, what do I look like? And see the amount of hair that I lost is quite a lot. I'm just tired. I'm just going to go and have my bath. I think my son is awake. He is going to be awake very soon, so I gave him his pacifier, and I just need to quickly go and have my bath before he's fully awake. It's almost 1 p.m., guys. And I haven't even done the work for yesterday, not stock of work for today. I have to work. Ooh, pecan for teething. I've seen a lot of controversies about this pecan on TikTok, about some people saying this is not the original one, that there is one that is more expensive. And I feel like Nigerians have this mentality of if something is not very expensive, it is not original. This I buy from 8 minutes and it costs 12,580. Some people are saying that there is a more original one because it costs 33,000, which is still also from the same company. Anyways, this is his first bottle. We are even almost out, like we are almost out of it. I know there is Baby Rex, I know there is Baby Can, I know there is Bonner Babe, but my mom spoke about this and this is what we are currently using. So I don't use this for him every day actually. I just use it. Also, I don't use paracetamol for him every day. I use it when his body is warm or when I check his temperature and use it on the eye side or on days when I see that he's cranky, he doesn't want to be put down, he wants to be on my body. Those are days when I use it for him just to ease the teething issue. Now, to myself, so while I was pregnant, if you watched any of my vlogs, I was using pregnant care original, right? And honestly, I feel like it helped me a lot because at some stage I couldn't stand the smell of my iron tablets, but I still had to be using it because I was low on iron. Because I was low on iron, right? I'm actually checking him because I was low on iron, right? You want to say something to the people? You want to say something to the people? Because I was low on iron, and immediately, because of how much I saw the effects of pregnant care on my body,
I knew I wanted to continue using it, like the postnatal one. So they have two types. I know they have this one for new mom, and there is one that says pregnant care breastfeeding. Honestly, I was thinking I want the pregnant care breastfeeding because I am breastfeeding. But then again, have you seen my airline? I don't have like I'm not breaking out. My skin is not doing anything rash. So I told my sister, and she got me this. She got me 3 packs of this. This thing is not cheap because even the regular pregnant care in Nigeria is about 30K to 40K. I don't know how much this retails in Nigeria, but my sister gets she got this for me from Boots UK, and she sent me 3 pack. So it says to use 2 tablets per day, and I'm not going to lie, I am only using one, and that is one because of the availability, because it's not readily available. I'm still on my first pack and I'm on my second card. So it says to use 2 pack per day, right? But honestly, I've been only using one per day because one, the availability, two, the price. I think these 3 packs is almost 60,000. No, 70,000. Now imagine if you're sending it from the UK or from any country outside of Nigeria, the delivery fee, right? I can't afford to use 2 per day. That's just it. I'm only using one. And honestly, I hope it's going to help my hair. My skin is not doing bad, honestly, because my skin have been I've seen worse days. So that's what I wanted to say to you guys. And then maybe on days when I feel tired, I use paracetamol. That's just it. That's just it. Now I'm going to go and bring my laptop to sit beside my man so that I can work. I actually have a lot of work to do. Where's your Anki? Where's your babe? It's not here. Oh no, we need to go and get Evidence B. Evidence B. Evidence need to clean his mouth. I also need to clean this for you. So we went to a mall on Saturday. So there's this mall my husband just found out around us, and he wanted me to see this place. So we went there together on Saturday. Then we saw this, and I was like, oh, so we picked it up and pressed it, and it was making sound. Not to forget that it has something like this. But I was like, oh, you will like it, you will like it. I mean, I'm not sure it's the one who likes it because it can't even press it yet. I am the one who likes it. Oh my kitty. You want to sleep? You're looking sleepy. All right. Let's work and make some money. Also, I want to say thank you to you guys on my first mom date vlog. I mean, for someone that have been like this on YouTube, you guys actually accepted that vlog very much. This particular one is the one I'm talking about. And I just want to say thank you to you guys for watching and engaging. I want to say thank you to the new community of moms. And thank you guys for subscribing. I don't know if any form of miracle can still happen if we can hit 10,000 subscribers before December 31st. I'm just putting this out there. I mean, there's nothing that is too big for God to do. So I'm just putting this out there. 10,000 subscribers.
Back to work for me. It's back to work for me. Also, I was able to talk to my sister. That covers for a little bit. Guess who is awake 30 minutes after? My sunshine, I guess, is hungry. So we're both eating. He's eating, I'm snacking, and we're watching Taya Aina. And if you're a content creator, yeah, and you're trying to increase your knowledge about monetizing your YouTube or your content creation career, I recommend you watch Ogum series. So I feel like she has a playlist, or she has this set of videos talking about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to monetize your channel, just something that will help you get more revenue, put out more content, and she's actually consistent. I mean, she makes it look easy. She works 9 to 5. She's a mother. She's a content creator. She's teaching. She's doing a lot of things. So I'll leave a link somewhere in the description box and also on the screen. I've watched like two of her videos today, and honestly, I am motivated. And she also watches my content a lot. She drops comments on my videos. So this is just me putting it out there. Go watch her. I feel like she's on a vibe. She's on something.